Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to North America of the 18th century. For 8 grueling years, between 1775 and 1783, American and British military forces struggled in a bloody war over colonial independence.
I just wanted to say...
The light is exquisite this evening, truly breathtaking. I wish this moment could last forever.
Look at the load on that poor beast. He must be headed for the apothecary.
Indeed. I heard they are paying a premium for fresh herbs this week.
Try this one. Just came in this morning, sweet as honey.
Oh, it looks delicious. I'll take a few.
Stand toy still!
Please, sir, spare some alms for the poor. Anything you can offer.
Defiance will not be tolerated.
We have done nothing wrong. Leave this place at once.
You'll shoot us all!
Get back! Keep back! This matter demands our greatest attention.
From frozen Canada to tropical Florida and as far west as the Mississippi River, the Revolutionary War included hundreds of campaigns, battles and skirmishes on land and sea, in which soldiers and sailors fought and died for causes, crowns, and comrades.
For too long we have suffered in silence. But tonight, with these flames as our witness, we declare that we will not be silenced anymore.
This episode demonstrates one of the main problems faced by the British. Throughout the war, they had to transport men and supplies across the Atlantic.
Good. Post the sentries. I will see to it.
General George Washington led the American army to victory during the Revolutionary War.
To the continued prosperity of the company.
Here, here.
Well said.
Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Take care and have a wonderful day.